Hey guys, another unboxing.
And you know what it is?
Today we'll be unboxing TXT's Memories, second story. Fresh from Korea, fresh from Weavers. First time namin mag-order sa Weavers. Of course, I have Cheska and Trisha right here behind the scene. Yan. Be unboxing together.
Bubble wrap.
You
Oh my
did.
god,
Oh,
it's
wait
so
lang.
big.
Ang bigat guys.
Oh my god.
Okay, pipili kami. Magmamanifest muna kami. Wala kami photo cards. Wala. Ako muna magpili. Okay ka na?
Okay na ako.
O, di okay.
Ilagay mo na parang ko eh.
Wala na kaming wala kaming choice.
Mabilis kausap.
Actually bahala na honestly. I think kahit sino naman ma-pull namin, we're gonna be happy. Ang bigat guys, parang yearbook.
It does look like a yearbook. OMG.
Okay, bias check, Subin.
Yun yung kay Ante yun.
Bongi.
Bomb use it rin siya. Pero of course, OT5 kami. And then no matter sino ma-pull namin, we're gonna be happy.
Yeah.
And bahala na mamaya kung ano mangyayari, if mag-trade kami or not. Oh my god, ang bango. Smells so good.
Oh, and oh my god, it's like felt.
Guys, ang saya.
Yung material niya.
Ito box ka.
Yeah,
This one's green.
feel it. So expensive.
Okay. Alam ko dito yung photo card. Photo card na ba? Agad.
Kata na.
Nakita ni Trisha!
She actually cried.
Wait lang.
Hindi
Isang
pa kaloka
photocard
kasi
lang
may
Oo,
ano.
oo.
May ano.
Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god.
Hindi pa kaloka. Ano?
Likod, hindi pa
Kaloka.
Okay, wala kami nakita.
Okay, ready? Suli, Trish. Okay, photo card na guys, hindi na namin kaya. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god, Trisha! Oh my god!
So big. Oh my god.
Oh my god!
Wala akong words. Okay.
No words. Ang saya ko.
Meron pa ba?
Gusto mo mag-trade?
No.
No? Okay, okay man. I like this bomb UP. Guys, ang cute kasi we're so happy kasi ang OT5 talaga yung ito. Love, love. Super love.
Oh my god.
And then, poster. Oh my god! Guys, ang gaganda ng mga photos! Oh my god! Uy! Uy!
I think we have something.
Uy! Ano to? Ang ganda! Ang ganda! Guys, comment down if you want a quick flip through video here. And here's our favorite pages. This one's mine.
And
Blue
this,
Our Era.
this one's mine.
Mga bias niya talaga.
Yeah, kasi both of them are in one page.
Our boss. Hey.